Okay, who were some of your childhood heroes?
Fuck you! Ah, shit! Gotta answer the damn phone. Piss.
Can you open this door, please?
No!
I just want to make sure that everything's okay.
What is this shit?
I don't know, I just figured I'd check on something.
Why don't you make like a banana and shit?
Open this fucking door!
No!
Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter? Who's in there with you?
Oh, dang it!
Open this door, I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand me?
I'll be on you like fire paper on shit paper! Jeez, what a dumbass. You there, dumbass?
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door.
You can go to Jolly Pirate Donuts, take 2 hours shit for all I care.
No, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
I'm gonna finish shit! Holy shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, damn it! Yes! It's about 10 minutes ago. Guy tried to break in my truck. Yes! He's a long-legged, pissed-off Puerto Rican!